How McDonald's food is made. McDonald's, one of the world's most iconic fast food chains, has a rich history when it comes to its menu offerings. The story of McDonald's food can be traced back to its humble beginnings in 1955, when Ray Kroc, a milkshake machine salesman, partnered with the McDonald brothers to franchise their San Bernardino, California, fast food restaurant. The original menu was simple, featuring items like hamburgers, cheeseburgers, French fries, and milkshakes. This straightforward approach to fast food was revolutionary in an era when most restaurants offered a wider variety of items. As McDonald's expanded globally, so did its menu. In 1968, the company introduced the Big Mac, which quickly became an iconic and beloved item. The Quarter Pounder followed in 1971, offering a larger patty to satisfy heartier appetites. In 1983, McDonald's ventured into the chicken market with the introduction of the Chicken McNuggets, a product that has since become a staple on the menu. In the 1980s and 1990s, salads and healthier options began to appear, reflecting changing consumer preferences. Ingredient sourcing. The ingredient sourcing process for McDonald's food involves a well-established supply chain that prioritizes quality, safety, and consistency. McDonald's relies on a network of carefully selected suppliers and food producers to provide the various ingredients used in its menu offerings. These ingredients typically include items such as beef, chicken, potatoes, lettuce, tomatoes, and more. McDonald's sets stringent standards and guidelines for its suppliers, ensuring that they adhere to food safety regulations, ethical practices, and quality assurance protocols. The company works closely with its suppliers to maintain a transparent and traceable supply chain, from the farm to the restaurant, to guarantee the integrity of the ingredients used in its products. This commitment to sourcing the highest quality ingredients has been a fundamental part of McDonald's reputation and its ability to provide consistent and enjoyable food items to customers worldwide. Moreover, the company has also made strides in recent years to promote sustainable and responsible sourcing practices, aiming to minimize the environmental impact of its ingredient procurement. Quality control. Quality control is a critical aspect of McDonald's operations, ensuring that its food consistently meets the company's rigorous standards. This process involves thorough checks and inspections at every stage, from ingredient sourcing to food preparation at commissaries and restaurants. McDonald's has established detailed specifications for each item on its menu, and these standards are upheld by suppliers, commissaries, and restaurant staff. Regular audits and quality assurance measures, often conducted by both internal and third-party entities, help maintain consistency, safety, and the high-quality taste that customers expect from McDonald's. Food processing. Food processing at McDonald's commissaries is a complex yet meticulously controlled process that involves transforming raw ingredients into the familiar menu items served at McDonald's restaurants. The process begins with the careful sourcing of ingredients from approved suppliers. These ingredients, which can include beef, chicken, potatoes, lettuce, and more, undergo rigorous quality and safety checks upon arrival at the commissary. Once the ingredients pass inspection, they are prepared for processing. This stage varies depending on the specific food item. For example, beef patties are formed into uniform shapes, chicken pieces are breaded, and potatoes are cut into the well-known fries. Each step follows a precise recipe and procedure to ensure consistency. Particular attention is paid to maintaining the safety and quality of the food throughout processing. For example, meat products may be partially cooked to kill harmful bacteria, but this is done in a controlled environment to ensure that the food remains safe and free from contamination. After processing, the food is portioned, packaged, and labeled according to the McDonald's standards. The packaging is designed not only to maintain food quality, but also to make it easy for restaurant staff to quickly and accurately prepare the items. In many cases, the processed food is flash frozen to lock in freshness and maintain its quality during storage and transportation. Flash freezing involves rapidly lowering the temperature of the food, which helps preserve texture, flavor, and nutrients. Once the food is prepared and packaged, it is distributed to individual McDonald's restaurants. At the restaurant, frozen items are then finished and cooked according to standard procedures, ensuring that they are hot, fresh, and ready for customers. The final assembly at the restaurant is done carefully to maintain the quality and consistency of McDonald's menu items. Each item is prepared following specific recipes, which include adding condiments, vegetables, and other toppings as required. Cooking. In McDonald's food processing facilities, cooking is a critical step in preparing various menu items. After ingredients are sourced, processed, and packaged, some food items, such as beef patties and chicken products, are partially cooked to ensure safety and lock in flavor. These partially cooked items are then rapidly frozen to maintain freshness. The flash freezing process involves quickly lowering the temperature of the food to preserve its quality. Once frozen, these items are shipped to individual McDonald's restaurants where they are finished and cooked to perfection according to standard recipes, ensuring that they are hot, fresh, and ready for serving to customers. This approach allows McDonald's to provide consistent and high-quality food across their global chain of restaurants. Packaging. After processing and partial cooking, the food is portioned and packaged. McDonald's uses advanced packaging technology to maintain the quality of the food during transportation and storage. Packaging at McDonald's is a crucial part of their food preparation process. Once the food items are processed and cooked, they are carefully portioned and placed into specially designed packaging. This packaging is not only meant to maintain the food's quality and freshness, but also to facilitate efficient service in the restaurant. McDonald's uses advanced packaging technology to ensure that the food remains hot and appetizing until it reaches the customer. The packaging is labeled with information such as product names and expiration dates, ensuring that food safety and quality standards are maintained. This attention to packaging details is a key factor in delivering a consistent and enjoyable dining experience to customers. Freezing. Many of McDonald's food items are flash frozen to preserve their quality and ensure they can be easily transported to individual restaurant locations. In McDonald's food processing facilities, freezing is a crucial step to preserve the quality and freshness of various menu items. After processing and cooking, certain food items, like beef patties and chicken products, undergo rapid freezing through a process called flash freezing. This method involves quickly lowering the food's temperature to lock in flavor and maintain its texture. Flash freezing helps ensure that the items remain safe, delicious, and easy to transport to individual McDonald's restaurants where they are finished and served to customers. This approach plays a significant role in delivering consistent and high-quality food throughout the McDonald's chain. Distribution. The packaged and frozen food items are shipped to individual McDonald's restaurants, where they are stored in freezers until they are needed. Distribution in the McDonald's supply chain involves the efficient transportation of processed and packaged food items from central commissaries to individual restaurants. These items, often including frozen goods, are carefully distributed to ensure they reach each restaurant in a timely manner. The distribution process is highly organized, relying on logistical precision to maintain the integrity of the food. Once the food arrives at the restaurants, it can be stored and prepared for serving, ensuring that customers receive hot, fresh, and consistent meals across the entire McDonald's network of locations. This well-orchestrated distribution system plays a pivotal role in delivering a standardized and enjoyable dining experience to customers worldwide. Restaurant preparation. Restaurant preparation at McDonald's is the final step in delivering the iconic menu items to customers. Once the frozen and packaged food items arrive at individual restaurants, they undergo the last stage of preparation. The restaurant staff ensures that the food is cooked to perfection according to McDonald's standardized recipes. This includes grilling burger patties, frying French fries, and assembling the various menu items like Big Macs, Quarter Pounders, or Chicken McNuggets. Careful attention is given to timing and temperature to guarantee that the food is hot, fresh, and ready to serve. Additionally, condiments, vegetables, and other toppings are added precisely as required by the recipes to maintain consistency and quality. This meticulous and efficient restaurant preparation process is key to providing customers with the familiar taste and quality they expect from McDonald's, no matter where in the world they dine. Assembly. The assembly of McDonald's menu items is a well-orchestrated process that takes place in individual restaurants. Once the food items are prepared and cooked, they are assembled with precision to create the familiar menu offerings. The trained restaurant staff follows standardized recipes and procedures to ensure consistency and quality in every item. Burgers are constructed layer by layer, and sandwiches are carefully assembled with the correct condiments and toppings. In the case of items like salads, the ingredients are combined according to the specified recipe. This meticulous assembly process guarantees that customers receive the same taste and presentation no matter which McDonald's location they visit. It's an integral part of McDonald's commitment to providing a consistent and enjoyable dining experience to its global customer base. Serving. The prepared food is then served to customers either at the counter, through the drive-thru, or via delivery services. Serving at McDonald's is the final step in the journey from the commissary to the customer. After food items are assembled and prepared in the restaurant kitchen, they are served to customers through various channels, such as dine-in, drive-thru, or delivery. Whether it's a classic Big Mac, a Happy Meal, or a breakfast burrito, McDonald's staff ensures that each order is accurately filled and presented in the distinctive packaging that has become synonymous with the brand. Fast and friendly service is a hallmark of the McDonald's experience, and the emphasis on efficiency, accuracy, and hospitality plays a vital role in delivering the consistent and enjoyable dining experience that millions of customers around the world have come to expect from McDonald's. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.